Hey guys, here is a 2016 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 things that I love about it. The first thing I love about the Hellcat is probably the most obvious, is the motor. This is a 6.2 liter V8 supercharged, 707 horsepower at your disposal with 650 pound-feet of torque. And this thing just absolutely rips. It is a beast, heavy car, over 4,000 pounds, but man, does this thing kick some butt. The third thing I love about the Hellcat Charger is just how practical it is. I mean, just look at the size of the trunk. This is one set of golf clubs in there, of course, but I could easily get probably 2 or 3 bags in there and half a Walmart, which makes it really nice if you want to use it as a family vehicle. You got really good size back seats as well. You can easily fit a car seat. I take my little guy everywhere. And just how comfortable the seats are and the seating positions and getting in and out of the car. I mean, it's just a really nice place to be, and to have that much power to be able to haul your family around and have all that trunk space truly makes it a one-of-a-kind experience. Another thing I love about the Hellcat is the transmission and the paddle shifts that it has. So the A8 transmission is truly remarkable. I was reading that it's a little bit faster than Porsche's PDK, which is a huge thing and huge claim. And I actually believe it, because going through the gears, when you have it in track mode or even sport mode or even just default, it just absolutely rips. The fifth thing that I love about my Hellcat is the fact that I have 2 keys. Now this is pretty cool. You have a red key and a black key. The red key unleashes the 707 horsepower. The black key is called the valet key, and that only unleashes 500 horsepower. So if you were to give your car to the valet or maybe loan it to a friend, I don't know why you would, but if you do, you could give them the black key, and then that means that they will only be able to unlock 500 horsepower, and the car will actually automatically detect which key is in there. So if you have both keys inside the car, it will automatically default to the 707 horsepower. But if you take out the black key, take out the red key, then it'll all default to the 500 horsepower. Let me show you how that works. All right, so we're inside the Hellcat, and now we have both the black and red key inside. And you can see here it defaults to the 700 horsepower. And now let's see if I take out the red key, what happens. All right, so now I just have the black key in the car, and you can see here, now it's defaulted to the 500 horsepower level. Pretty cool.